Welcome to the premiere of EuroTier and Energy Decentral Digital. My name is Ines Radke and I am the Connect Manager. I'm taking you now on a short digital tour. You access our platform through the website and first in the middle bottom, start the system check. The system check ensures that your settings as well as your internet connection are prepared for a good experience. At the login page, you can also get tickets or register any vouchers. Only pre-registered email addresses receive a 4-colored code, which will be sent to your email. Once at the platform, you get an overall overview. On the left-hand side, there is our navigation panel, which leads you to our exhibitors section, the program, the discussion forums, and the networking. On the right-hand side, you get access to all participants within the network. You can search for people, and with the 3 red dots on the side, connect with them, schedule a meeting, start into a text chat, or call them directly. At the top button, there's more text chats and schedule opportunities. When visiting the exhibitor show floor, there's a tile view as well as a list view, which you can select into product groups, innovations, and sectors. The full text search at the top leads you to anything that you're searching for in particular. Our exhibitor information, as well as any contact people from within the network, available to text chat, calls, request the meetings, or share contacts. Get also in touch by joining the Expo showroom, requesting a meeting, or register interest with our exhibitors. Have fun and explore.